my god, I changed. Oh my god, they on the same.
Alright guys, so excuse my ugliness, but I haven't posted a video in years. I just don't know what to post nowadays, but yeah, I need some chapstick. So from the title of the video, y'all, I'm gonna be doing how to maintain your box braids 101, because some girls' box braids don't look good and they refuse to take care of them. Very important to take care of your box braids and your actual hair under. So I think I've had my box braids for about like, let's say 4 weeks now. And box braids can get frizzy and ugly real quick. This is from one day of not putting my scarf on, and now I look mad messy. But I'm gonna just show y'all what I do, and hopefully it helps you. So we're going to just continue with this video like nothing happened. Back to the purpose of the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do, using this wild growth hair oil. It also comes in yellow. It's supposed to grow your hair basically. So I'm just gonna put that like in all my roots. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can, even though I know I'm not gonna get all of it. I'm gonna try to get most of it. So yeah. I got most of the oil throughout my hair, put an even amount on most of the spaces I could. So that's that. The thing with this oil though is, since it is growing your hair, obviously it's gonna loosen up your braids eventually as your hair is growing. To control that, you can use Eco Styler gel. Basically what you're doing, I'll show y'all. You're gonna just put it on your roots, not too much because it does flake. So you can put it on your roots and then you're just gonna twist it. That's something you can do if your hair is growing excessively in the roots, or your braids are just getting old and it just keeps sliding off. But I'm not gonna do this in this video. I'm gonna take this Cantu Shea Butter. I've used this in almost all my hair videos, but I'm gonna take this Cantu Shea Butter, coconut oil, shine and hold mist. And basically what this does is it reduces the frizz, and it also makes your hair look shiny and brand new. So I'm just gonna put it like right here because that's the most important part, and right here too, because those are the main roots your peoples can see. After that, I let it just sink into my hair for a little bit. And now this is optional, but this is supposed to be like a heat protector, but I use it on my braids because it helps control frizz and it moisturizes dry hair. It helps prevent breakage. It's still good to put on your hair because, like I said, it has all these other qualities that can help your hair out, especially these box braids. Like, sis, you need some help. And when it comes out of the bottle, it's a very thick substance. Look at this. Frizz free. Frizz free. Okay, so now after I had put this on my braids, as you can see, like most of the frizzes tamed, like those little stuff. I'm just gonna spray it again. Before I put this one on, I did put this on and it is sinking into my hair. I'm just gonna put a little bit more. What you're gonna do is put your little scarf or whatever you use to tie your hair down on your head. My hair is tied back because I feel like it's way easier. You wait a few minutes, maybe an hour, however long, wherever you're going, you just wait until you're ready to take this off. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. This is the end result, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but like before it was just like way more messy. Even though like some of my roots are still loose, it's more like down than it was before, and my hair is frizz free. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.